Hello everyone, I am P.Revathi. I am working as Assistant Professor in SNS College of Technology in Department of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science. Today our students going to present the design thinking based activity on the topic query optimization using heuristics in DBMS.
Students of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science. We are here to make a design thinking based activity on query optimization using heuristics. Now we are here not only just to explain the rules of the heuristics in database, but also make you to understand about why the queries are slow and how as an engineer we can develop the queries to get into the faster tool. So we can meet a person whose name Ravi is a database administrator in the e-commerce sector. During the festival sales like Pongal and Diwali, their website gets lakhs of orders. Customers started to call into a customer care because of their order status page is very slow. Ravi gets the multiple compliments from the customer side as well as the management puts pressure on him. This is Ravi, who is a database administrator in the e-commerce site, who faces the struggles during the festival days on the customer side as well as the management side. So, hello Ravi, tell me about the problems you are facing during the festival days.
I am feeling that my queries are working so slow. So the customers are getting frustrated. I need to fix this before the next sales spike.
Through this interview, we can understand Ravi's pain points. To understand Ravi's pain points, we perform a quick interview with him. In this interview, we have asked several questions about the delay of his home page. And the questions are: which queries are slow? How often does this issues happen? What tables are involved? What is the business impact? Through the empathy interview, he discovered that one particular SQL query is responsible for all the delays. So the solution will be defined by it.
Welcome to the define stage. After emphasizing and production mark, I found out that slow queries, the queries running executing 1000 times per every hour. And this is a slow query. First one issue is select asterisk. This select asterisk will take or overlay all the unnecessary things after the column and the tables. We need to reduce this. Otherwise, the need goes to the data transfers and increase the data transfers and the memory storage. And next one, they use the join, implicitly join. The in the command line, this is old style. It make the automator to the make the optimizer difficult to the optimizer back. Issue 3. Filters are applied later. The filters like orders and cities are coming after the join. It increases the workload. And issue 4. No gap in logical plan, which means without clear structure, the data create inefficient execution plan. It may look like very simple one, but it makes huge performance bottleneck. By this, it helps us to move on to the ideation process.
Examples: use select specific columns only. Rewrite using inner joins, apply cities and amount filters first. Avoid the scanning entire table. After discussing these ideas as a team, we shortlisted the most efficient ones. Now let's move on to the prototype stage. Based on our ideation, we developed an optimized version of Ravi's query. This was the query we developed from the questions we asked as a team. Select orders from order ID and orders amount, customers dot customer name from orders, join the customers and orders dot customer ID is equal to customers ID, where orders dot amount is greater than 1000 and customer CD is equal to Chennai. This is the query we have written. Here is the what this query is explained. Remove select. We selected only order ID and amount and customer name, reducing the data retrieval overhead. Use the exploit join. This helps the DBMS choose cleaner join paths and improve readability. Apply filters yearly. This reduces the number of rows processed during the joins. Cleaner execution plan. A logical flow improves, allowing cost-based optimization to work better. Now, the prototype is ready. Let's test it.
Hello, myself K. I am going to explain about this. We compare the original and the optimizing queries step by step using dissonance and hit value and explain the query optimization. What challenge largely faces the query optimization? In join full tables, then apply the unknown key filters, all columns higher cost. Then we can see optimizing queries. Filter row before the ID, join few rows, retrieve fair columns, low cost. If student have DB access, then we can show the row count, reduce cost optimization. Before join method, as join or nested loop depending on DB. The result clearly shows that our optimizing queries is lighter, faster, and more efficient.
After hearing this, I would like to conclude the topic by highlighting the value of the design thinking based approach. Today, we didn't just learn how to optimize the queries. We understood why queries become slow by empathizing with our users early. By defining the real performance problem, ideating practical solutions, and testing our optimized query, we saw how small logical changes create big improvements. This activity helped us think like a real database engineers, focusing on clarity, efficiency, and user impact. Thank you.